Hello, in front of me I have GARMIN Forerunner 645 and I'm gonna show you how to set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Basically, if you want to use your own picture or image as a watch face. Before we start, your watch needs to be paired with a phone via the Garmin Connect application. Once the devices are paired, we can continue. And now we need to download and install the Garmin IQ or Connect IQ Store application on our phone. So let's open the App Store on our phone. I'm using Android device, so I'm gonna open the Google Play Store, but on the iPhone simply open the App Store. In the App Store, tap on the search. On the search, type in Garmin IQ Store and tap search. You should see this application on the list of apps. Connect IQ Store by Garmin. Select it and then tap on the install button to download and install it. So let's tap on install. On the iPhone, I believe it's a get button. It looks like a cloud, but on the Android, it's install button. So download and install the app. After the app is done installing, you can tap on the open app, or rather open button to open the application. In the application, tap on welcome, tap on continue, or you can also tap on switch accounts if you want to use different account. But this is the account I used to pair the watch with the phone. So I'm gonna tap on continue, check the boxes, tap on next. Once the app opens, you should see the different options at the bottom of the screen. Tap on the Face It option, and here we can set up the custom watch face. To do it, tap on the plus button, and you have two options, camera and gallery. If you select the camera option, it will open the camera app and it will allow you to take a picture, and you can use that picture as a watch face. If you select the gallery, basically it will open the file manager and you can select the picture or photo from your phone. I'm gonna use the gallery option, so I'm gonna tap on gallery, allow the permission. It opened the file manager. As you can see, we can tap on menu, tap on images, select the folder, for example download, and here we have the image. Tap on it to select it. And we have a preview of our watch face, how it will look like, and we can tap on different types of clock, as you can see right here. Select the one you like. You can also zoom in and zoom out the picture. You can move the widgets by tapping on one and moving it on the screen. You can move the whole watch face. Basically, whatever is gonna be in this highlighted, maybe not highlighted, but area that is not grayed out is gonna be on our watch face. And you can move the picture, center it out. You can move the widgets, hour. Basically, you can customize it however you like it. For example, let's do this like this. Move hour. Let's move the battery right here. Okay. And the date maybe here. Okay, so once you're done customizing the or selecting the type of clock, you can tap on the bucket with the paint, and you can basically select the color of the accents. Then you can tap on the last option, and here we can select the type of the clock or the font maybe. Yeah, maybe it's a font. Okay, and once you're done customizing your watch face, you can tap on the done button, name the watch face. Let's name it it's now miss whatever, but you can name the watch face, and here we have it. Here we have a preview how it will look like. Now we can tap on install button and download and install it on our watch. So let's tap on OK and wait. It's gonna take a while, so let's wait. And once it's done, the watch face will be applied on your watch, as you can see. And you can close the app now. And that's how you set up the watch face with the custom image on this device. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.